Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Khalid Masood Kareem. In this monthly video tutorial, I will share technical aspects and techniques of top volume leaders of the Karachi Stock Exchange. It is not a recommendation to buy or sell. The Karachi Stock Exchange 100 Index closed at 40,571 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is below the monthly pivot level of 41,256, but is above the 19th period, monthly moving average. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 43,468 and 39,270 respectively. Technically, the monthly trading has generated an inverted hammer candle, which is a negative development. The level of 19 period month moving average is at 36,045. The HASCOL closed at 20.18 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level, which is residing at 19.59. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 26.25 and 15.99 respectively. Technically, appearance of a small white candle with a significant upper shadow is showing profit taking at higher levels. This may result in sideways trend. The PIBTL closed at 12.36 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is below the weekly pivot level of 12.74. The weekly resistance and support levels are at 15.00 and 10.90 respectively. Technically, the long upper shadow of inverted hammer candle is reflecting profit taking at intramonth higher levels. The Unity Foods closed at 16.65 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 15.91. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 20.00 and 13.73 respectively. Technically, it is bullish. The K Electric closed at 4.21 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is above the weekly pivot level of 4.15. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 5.00 and 2.00 respectively. Technically, the indicators suggest a mild upside move during current month. The PTC closed at 10.81 level on 30th September 2020. The closing is above the monthly pivot level of 10.47. The monthly resistance and support levels are at 13.00 and 9.35 respectively. Technically, profit taking occurred at the upper channel line, as shown by the upper shadow of the September's candle. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.